Every box looks exactly the same, but some boxes are hiding surprises. They'll face ball pits, tricky obstacles, and unexpected challenges along the way. Challenge rules. Follow the cardboard path and reach the finish line. If a cat steps on the wrong box and falls, the challenge is over. The highest scoring cat wins the prize. Let's replay that in slow motion. Wait, CC almost stepped on the dangerous box, but he noticed it immediately. He quickly adjusted his balance and changed his other paw's landing position. What an amazing recovery! With a quick reaction, CC avoided the trap and completed the obstacle course. It's Lulu's first attempt. She's carefully looking for a safe place to step. 17 seconds of careful consideration. Lulu has made her choice. She chooses the middle box and begins her next move. Nice choice. She found a safe path. It looks like she noticed something. She even looked back at me, almost asking for help. She carefully went around the obstacle. Now she's reached the final obstacle. Wait, something caught her attention. She's checking the course, making sure it's safe. A difficult decision. Lulu chooses the right box and beats the final level. Level 2 begins, and the difficulty is going up. 2 new obstacles have been added to the course. Now, let's see if CC can stay lucky this time. But unlike before, CC doesn't rush forward. He slows down and carefully studies every step. It looks like CC knows the difficulty has increased. With every step, CC gets closer to danger. The tension is building with every move. Will CC make it through safely? But wait, what is CC doing? He is actually walking straight into the obstacle. Is this a mistake, or does he have a plan? Following CC's footsteps, Lulu takes the same path forward. But Lulu has her own way of completing the challenge. She doesn't just follow blindly. Before every step, Lulu carefully checks the path ahead. Welcome to Level 3. This is the toughest course yet. CC or Lulu, who will conquer the final course? Lulu is the first to step up to the challenge. Lulu now has 3 possible paths ahead. Which one will she choose? Or, will she decide to turn back? Oh no, Lulu was fooled by a path that looked completely safe. Did anyone guess it right? A big round of applause for Lulu's amazing performance. Now, let's see how CC handles the final challenge. Will CC use speed and quick reactions again? That was close. Cece almost picked the wrong box. What an incredible save.